The White House just blocked Anthropic from releasing its latest AI model, and Congress is officially at war with itself over who gets to decide what you can use. This is AI Wire Daily. Democrats and Republicans can't agree on much, but they're both panicking about advanced AI hitting the public without a safety checkpoint first. The real fight isn't left versus right. It's innovation speed versus precaution. Anthropic wanted to ship. The White House said no. That's the kind of friction that kills momentum, and it signals we're entering a new era where government moves fast enough to actually block tech companies, which frankly hasn't happened in decades. Here's what it means. If the White House can veto an AI release, every model your startup builds now gets a political timestamp. Jeff Bezos thinks AI will create a labor shortage, not mass unemployment. He's saying the opposite of what everyone fears, and there's actually a shot he's right, but only if companies hire and train aggressively instead of slashing headcount. Bezos has robotics and space companies now, so he's not wrong about understanding scale. But this quote conveniently ignores that the transition period will absolutely wreck certain job categories before new ones spawn. The billionaire's optimism is useful cover for the moment, but workers in customer service, coding, and creative fields need more than hope right now. AWS dropped their New York Summit announcements, and the usual suspects showed up. More integrations, better performance, tighter partnerships. The real story isn't the features. It's that Amazon continues building the infrastructure layer that makes AI companies dependent on them. While everyone argues about regulation, AWS is quietly becoming the pipes everyone has to buy through. Stock markets stayed flat on solid retail sales, which means investors aren't pricing in either an AI boom or a crash yet. The uncertainty is actually the story. Until Congress or the White House makes a clear move, capital is sitting on the sidelines. Volatility hasn't peaked because nobody knows the rules anymore. Chihua Chen, a venture capitalist with 2 decades in the game, just dropped the actual insight. The real AI winners won't be selling AI. They'll be selling what AI lets you do. That's the end of the conversation right there. Infrastructure providers like OpenAI and Anthropic are fighting for market share in a brutal commodity race. The companies that matter will be the ones using AI to solve real problems. Healthcare, logistics, finance. Build tools, not toys. That's where the money actually flows. That's the AI news. Subscribe. This stuff moves fast.